Hello, I'm audible, Sachin?
Yes, Vamsi.
Yeah. So let's start the section. Okay. Let's start the section. And can you please tell me the explanation of what is Python?
Python is a programming language, highly interpreted programming language. Uh, it is invented by the Gauss, invented in the year 1991 with Gauss van der Rohe.
Okay.
It is easy to understand and write the code, and it is easy to read and write, and easily understandable programming language.
Fine. What is the difference between tuple and list?
Tuple is a immutable and list is a mutable. We can we can modify data sets in the list, but whereas in tuple we cannot modify the list.
Okay. And what is the differences between equal to and double equal to?
Equal to and double equal to is a equal. Equal to is double equal to is nothing but the comparison operators. It comes under.
Okay. So can you please give me one example where we use conditional statements?
Condition statements we use in uh, if and if else we use the condition statement. If at all, if for example, if I want to get a true value for any particular thing, so I apply for there. If it is true, if one condition fails, and then if it will go for the other condition.
Okay. So give me one example on loops. Any while loop or for loop. Any example?
Example for loop is like if we want to execute the data from 1 to 10, and we use I is equal to we use a loop.
Okay. Can you please define about functions?
Function is a block of code. uh, there are two types of functions. One is a built-in function and user defined function. So built-in functions are the standard functions which is inbuilt in the Python code, and the user-defined functions are like, where we want to use ourselves. Like we can give the conditions in that functions like that.
Okay. What are the operators we have in Python?
Logical operator, comparison operator, bitwise operator, and identical operator, uh, arithmetic operators, assign, assignment operators.
Okay. Is this operators are necessary to use in Python? Can you please justify?
For like numeric calculations, we can use for like greater than comparison of the values. For some addition division, we can use wherever it is required. Like for an example, if I can tell you, like uh, if you want to get the sum of the total in the list, we can use there for the list of items, price and all.
Okay. What are the code data types?
Data types are of a list, string, tuple, dictionary, and set. And list we have like integer, uh, float, and a boolean and complex.
Okay. What are the rules to create variables?
To create a variable says like it should be in a alphabetical or it should be start with alphabetical and a numeric and underscore. We can't use any special characters to create a variable, either in small or caps.
Okay, fine. So can you please explain about the class?
Class in Python, right? So
Yeah.
class is nothing but where we write a function, where we write a function to create a function with a style which holds the objects in it.
Okay.
So class is nothing but why we give a variable assigning to a class. For example, if a room is a class, in that we will have some objects. Containing some objects together is called a class, I can say.
Okay. And one more, like, what is the differences between bar chart and histogram?
Uh, Bar chart is used for a discrete data. For discrete data, we use bar chart, and for a continuous data, we use histogram chart.
Okay. Explain about interquartile range. Why we use
Right?
the interquartile range?
Inter
Interquartile range (IQR).
Interquartile range we use in statistics and to understand the data spread and variability of the data in the given data set.
Okay. So can you please explain about five number summary?
Five number summary: maximum, minimum, second, second quartile, and third quartile, and mean.
Okay. Which ID is are you using? Which ID
Each ID,
are you using for the projects?
I didn't get you.
Which IDE?
IDE.
Yeah, for writing a program. Like, are you using any PyCharm, Jupyter, or SQL, VS Code? Which type of IDE are you using?
Yeah, Python, Java, and many others we use for IDE. Uh,
Which one are you using?
we are using Python.
I'm not asking about the programming language.
Uh, uh,
IDE, Integrated Development Environment.
yeah.
We can use to write a code, debug the code, run the code. These things happen now.
Yes.
Which type of ID? Like, are you using VS Code, PyCharm, Jupyter? Which one is are you using? Hello.
Oh, sorry, my power got disconnected. So I've just connected to my mobile Wi-Fi.
Okay.
I am using a Jupyter
Okay. Why you preferred for Jupyter only?
because it's uh, easy, and we can save it, and it's easy to download and easy to and write and everything.
Okay. Is there any IDEs for like a Jupyter? Alternate
We
IDE.
have
Yeah.
Yes, we have.
Yeah. Name them like give me name of them. What are the alternative for the Jupyter?
There are alternative tools which we can use in Jupyter.
Okay, fine, not a problem. So tell me the query for creating database.
Creating a database, create database and name.
Okay,
Whichever the name you want to create the database, on the name you want can write a name over there.
okay. Next one. Tell me the query to insert the data into the columns.
Insert the data into the columns.
Columns.
Insert insert table name.
Sorry.
Insert into table name,
Okay.
and we can give the column names whatever that we want to give the data for it,
Okay.
and then values, and then give the data to those columns.
Okay. How many types of plots present in MATLAB? Like give
Plots.
me 5 examples related to the plots which are present in MATLAB.
Uh,
Okay, I'm not okay.
um,
Yeah, fine. Leave it, not a problem. So, how can you load the CSV file into the Jupyter using pandas? Tell me that statement. How can you load?
pd read dot file name.
Can you please fulfill that so exact statement I need?
Okay,
How can you load
in
the data
pandas
set?
first we need to in pandas first we need to import the pandas, and to read the data, we will use p dot read pd dot read underscore csv with the file name, I mean path name.
Okay. Why we use dot info function?
Dot info
Yeah, why we use dot info function in pandas?
to get the information of the data or a particular column which we want to get.
Okay, fine.
Quick to quick it gives like a quick way to look at the data type.
Okay. What is the use of group by in SQL? What is the use of group by in SQL?
Group by is used to get the data for the queries which we run. Uh,
Okay. What are the aggregative functions present in SQL?
uh, Sum, average, minimum, maximum, and count, group by, having.
Okay. Why we use having?
It is just like a filter to group by.
Okay. Can you please share your screen? So sorry, you are lagging in mobile, right?
Yeah, no laptop on that.
Yeah, you can share the screen and open the Jupyter node.
Are you able to view my screen?
Yeah, yeah, the screen is useful. Okay. Write a Python code for to find greatest number among the three digits.
Greatest number among three digits.
Yeah, greatest number among the three digits. Like for example, if I give A, B, C, A value, so I need to get which one is the bigger. Okay, so that user input, take a user input in a dynamic format. Clear? You have a 5 minutes of time. Can you please complete the things? Write a Python program to find greatest number among the three digits. Sachin, can you please use the conditional statements?
not getting function.
Sorry.
I'm not getting correctly exactly to write the code right now.
So look about the syntax, Sachin. Is the syntax is correct?
Yes.
So after that, you can share me that thing. Okay, try yourself and share with me.
Okay.
Okay. So that's it from my side. Do you have any doubts? Do you want to ask any questions?
I know.
Yeah. Then fine. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Okay.